Hello and welcome to the English Listening Lab. My name is Johan. I am very happy that you are here today. In this episode, we are going to practice slow English listening and fluency. We will talk about a very important topic. The topic is your daily routine. This means the things you do every single day. I will speak slowly and clearly. This will help you understand every word. Please listen carefully to my voice. You can also repeat the words after me. This is a great way to improve your speaking. Before we begin the lesson, I have a small favor to ask. Please subscribe to this channel right now. Click the subscribe button. This helps us make more free English lessons for you. If you subscribe, you will not miss any of our future videos about slow English listening and fluency practice. Thank you for your support. Now, let us begin our lesson about daily routines. The day starts in the morning. Usually, I wake up at 7 o'clock. My alarm clock rings. It makes a loud sound. Beep, beep, beep. I open my eyes slowly. The room is bright because the sun is shining. I stretch my arms and my legs. My bed is very warm and comfortable. Sometimes I want to sleep for 5 more minutes, but I know I must get up. I put my feet on the floor. The floor feels a little bit cold. I stand up and walk to the window. I open the curtains to let the light come in. I look outside at the street. I see the trees and the birds. It is a beautiful morning. I feel ready to start the day. Getting out of bed is the first step of my daily routine. It is important to wake up with a good feeling. After I get out of bed, I go to the bathroom. This is the next part of my morning. I stand in front of the mirror. I look at my face. I look a little bit tired. I turn on the water. The water is cool and refreshing. I wash my face with soap and water. Then I take my toothbrush. I put toothpaste on the toothbrush. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I brush up and down. I brush left and right. It is important to have clean teeth. After I finish brushing my teeth, I brush my hair. I use a comb or a brush. I want my hair to look neat. Now I feel much more awake. The bathroom routine helps me feel fresh. I am ready to get dressed for the day. Cleanliness is very important for a good start. Now it is time to choose my clothes. I go to my closet. I have many clothes in my closet. I see shirts, pants, and jackets. I must look at the weather before I choose. Is it hot today? Is it cold today? If it is hot, I will wear a t-shirt. If it is cold, I will wear a sweater. Today the weather is sunny and warm, so I choose a blue shirt and black pants. I put on my shirt. I button the buttons. I put on my pants. I zip the zipper. Then I need to find my socks. I put on my socks. Finally, I put on my shoes. I tie my shoelaces carefully. Now I am dressed. I look in the mirror one more time. I look good. I am ready to leave the bedroom and go to the kitchen. I walk to the kitchen. I am feeling hungry. It is time for breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. First, I need some coffee. I love the smell of coffee in the morning. I put water in the kettle. I boil the water. I put coffee powder in my cup. I pour the hot water into the cup. I add a little bit of milk and sugar. I stir the coffee with a spoon. Now I need to eat something. I take 2 slices of bread. I put the bread in the toaster. I wait for 2 minutes. The toast pops up. It is hot and crispy. I put butter on the toast. I also like to put strawberry jam on the toast. It tastes very sweet and delicious. I sit at the table and eat my breakfast slowly. While I eat my breakfast, I like to plan my day. I think about what I need to do. I have to go to work. I have to buy food. I look at my phone. I check the news. I check the weather report again. It is good to know what is happening in the world. I drink my coffee. It is hot and tasty. It gives me energy. I finish my toast. I am not hungry anymore. I take my plate and my cup to the sink. I wash them with water and soap. I dry my hands with a towel. Now, breakfast is finished. It is time to get ready to leave the house. I have my energy for the day. A good breakfast makes me feel happy and strong. I go to the front door. I need to take my things with me. I look for my keys. I find my keys on the table. I look for my wallet. My wallet is in my pocket. I look for my phone. I have my phone in my hand. I also take my bag. In my bag, I have my lunch and a book. I am ready to go. I open the door and step outside. The air is fresh. I close the door behind me. I lock the door with my key. I check the door to make sure it is locked. Safety is very important. I walk down the street. I am going to the bus stop. I walk quickly because I do not want to be late. The sun is shining on my face. It is a lovely walk. I arrive at the bus stop. There are other people waiting there too. We wait for the bus. I look at my watch. The bus should be here soon. I see the bus coming down the street. It is a big, red bus. The bus stops in front of us. The doors open. I let the other people get on first. Then I step onto the bus. I say hello to the driver. He is friendly. I pay for my ticket. I look for a seat. I like to sit near the window. I find an empty seat and sit down. The bus starts to move. I look out the window. I see houses, shops, and parks. I see people walking and cars driving. It is interesting to watch the city. The bus ride takes about 20 minutes. The bus arrives at my stop. I press the button to stop the bus. The bus stops and the doors open. I get off the bus. I walk to my office. My office is a tall building. I walk through the big glass doors. I see the receptionist. I say good morning to her. She smiles and says good morning to me. I walk to the elevator. I press the button for the 5th floor. The elevator goes up. The doors open and I walk out. I go to my desk. I sit down in my chair. I turn on my computer. I check my emails. I have a lot of work to do today. I start typing on my keyboard. The office is quiet. Everyone is working hard. This is where I spend most of my day. At 12 o'clock, it is time for lunch. I am hungry again. I stop working. I take my lunch bag. I go to the break room. My colleagues are there too. We sit together at a table. I open my lunchbox. Today I have a sandwich. It is a cheese and tomato sandwich. I also have an apple and a bottle of water. I eat my sandwich. It is very good. I talk to my friends. We talk about our weekend. We laugh and tell stories. It is nice to relax for a short time. I eat my apple. It is crisp and sweet. I drink my water. After lunch, I feel rested. I clean my table. I throw away my trash. Then, I go back to my desk to work again. The afternoon goes by slowly. I have a meeting at 2 o'clock. I go to the conference room. I sit with my team. We talk about our projects. I listen to my boss. I write notes in my notebook. It is important to remember what he says. The meeting lasts for 1 hour. After the meeting, I go back to my computer. I make some phone calls. I speak to clients. I answer their questions. I try to be helpful and polite. By 4 o'clock, I start to feel a little tired. I stand up and stretch. I walk to the water cooler to get a drink. I look out the window. The sun is lower in the sky now. The workday is almost finished. I am happy that I can go home soon. At 5 o'clock, I finish my work. I turn off my computer. I clean my desk. I put my pens and papers away. I say goodbye to my colleagues. See you tomorrow, I say. I leave the office building. I walk back to the bus stop. The street is busy now. There are many cars and many people. Everyone is going home. I wait for the bus again. When the bus comes, it is crowded. There are no empty seats. I have to stand up. I hold on to the pole. The bus moves slowly because of the traffic. I am tired, but I am happy. I am going home to relax. I look out the window at the city lights. The city looks different in the evening. It is very beautiful. I arrive at my house. I unlock the door and go inside. It feels good to be home. I take off my shoes. I take off my jacket. I put my bag on the chair. I sit on the sofa for a few minutes. I close my eyes and rest. Then, I go to the kitchen to make dinner. I like to cook. Tonight, I will make pasta. I boil water in a pot. I cut some vegetables. I cut onions, tomatoes, and peppers. I cook the vegetables in a pan. I add tomato sauce. The kitchen smells delicious. I put the pasta in the water. I wait for 10 minutes. I drain the water. I mix the pasta with the sauce. I put the food on a plate. I pour a glass of water. Dinner is ready. I sit at the table to eat dinner. I eat slowly and enjoy the food. It is hot and tasty. Sometimes I watch television while I eat. I like to watch the news or a funny show. It helps me relax. After I finish eating, I take my plate to the kitchen. I wash the dishes. I dry the dishes and put them away. I clean the table. I like my kitchen to be clean. Now I have free time. I can do what I want. Sometimes I read a book. Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I call my family on the phone. I like to tell them about my day. It is nice to hear their voices. The evening is my favorite time of the day because it is quiet. It is getting late. It is 10 o'clock. I am feeling sleepy. I yawn. It is time to get ready for bed. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth again. I wash my face. I change into my pajamas. My pajamas are soft and comfortable. I go to my bedroom. I turn off the lights in the house. I check that the door is locked. I get into my bed. I pull the blanket up. The bed is warm. I put my head on the pillow. I close my eyes. I think about the good things that happened today. I feel calm and peaceful. I take a deep breath. I am ready to sleep. I will dream and rest for the new day tomorrow. Good night. Thank you very much for listening to this episode of the English Listening Lab. I hope you enjoyed learning about daily routines. We practiced many useful words and sentences today. You heard words about morning, work, food, and evening activities. Listening to slow English is the best way to improve your fluency. I recommend that you listen to this episode again. Try to speak along with me. Practice your pronunciation. If you liked this lesson, please subscribe to our channel. Share this video with your friends who are learning English. Follow us on all our social media platforms for more tips and lessons. We are here to help you learn. Thank you for practicing with me, Johan. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.